Okay guys, well here we are. We're going to finish this toolbox up. And here I am in the living room workshop. And the missus is at the gym right now, which is good. Let's take care of some work. So, what I did was I wanted to pull these sides off the toolbox because, if you remember, I did a horrible job dimpling them. And the fit wasn't very good, so we're going to get them back in the pneumatic squeezer, get some dimple dies in there, get that taken care of. I just want to show you, I went ahead and drilled all these rivets that I did set. I have them just center drilled there. And one thing I found that seems to be working is I'm just going in with my flush cut side cutters, and I'm going to go and just kind of grab the shop end and give it a little twist and kind of massage it around, and you'll see that the head just snaps off, and I'm left with the shop end. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of them and get these sides all dimpled up. If you notice, I was able to get my back riveting plate inset to my workbench. I got the workbench all routed out for that, which is nice. Need that for the flat project that I'm working on. And was also waiting for some tools to come in from Avery. And they have. And this was actually the big guy I was waiting for, is my back rivet set. And what was holding me up with the toolbox is a smaller diameter flush set, so I could take care of the hinge. Oh no, wait, the hinge is taken care of. Sorry, if I could take care of the handle for, yeah, the handle at the top, because C-squeeze isn't able to reach that. I'm also going to use this to buck the bottom row of rivets on the sides. Cool, so that's the big guy, or the little guy, I would say a 3/4 inch flush set with rubber insulator around the edge. Hopefully going to prevent some smileys. Alright. So let's just get at her. I'm going to finish popping these heads off. Again, going to grab a head. Oh, that one just popped right off like nothing. Just like that. Awesome. You just gently work them. If they don't want to break, don't force them. You may have to go back and just hit them one more time with your drill bit. And what I've done for drilling size is I just took my number 40 drill bit. I mic'd it with a pair of verniers. And then I basically just went rooting through my drill bit pile to and looked for one that was just a couple thou under, basically. I think this was 15 thou under. Didn't want any risk of damaging the holes, right? But you can see it worked really well. I tried my best to keep them centered, you know, train the drill bit back into the center. It was awesome. So, let's get these dimpled up properly. Well, you can just see it taking the distortion right out of this toolbox side now that the dies are set up correctly. Awesome. I don't know if you guys can sight that, but dead flat now. Tess, what are you squeaking about? Alright, let's get this other one taken care of. Okay, now that everything's dimpled correctly, hopefully we should get these parts fitting a little better. So let's see. Wow. I gotta say, guys, that made a really big difference. I think we're gonna see some drastic improvements here when we throw her together. Well, let's get it set up for riveting. And so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my pneumatic riveter on one side, but I'm gonna buck rivets on the other, just for practice, because that's what this is all about. So I'm gonna start with bucking rivets. So grab my bucking bar here, just a standard plain Jane bucking bar. Probably comes in most of our kits. And just gonna see how I'm gonna lay this in here, figure it out, kind of get a feel for it. I think I'm gonna go with this. Okay, got my brand new rivet set on there. Let's see how she does. Got my Sue's gun set at about 40 psi. Wish me luck, guys. Oh, I think I just gotta get rid of one cleco that's in the way. There we go. All right. I don't think that's quite done enough, so I'm just going to hit it one more time. Alright, it looks pretty good. Let's see if I can get you close in on that. Pretty decent-ish. Have to check that out with the micrometer. I don't have a rivet gauge yet, I just use my caliper verniers. But I gotta say that does look pretty good, so have a look at there. At least now they're sitting nice and flush, not grabbing my fingernail at all. Alright, let's keep going. It seems I need one cleco clearance for my rivet gun. I might be a little overdone. Might have overbucked that one. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to buck them all, and then if I need to replace any because I haven't done a good job, I'm just going to drill them out because that's good practice as well. Nope, that's all right. All the holes are lining up perfectly now, guys. Let's see if I can get you guys a bit of a better view here. Just want to show you guys what the outside looks like so far. Not too bad. Doesn't look like I'm putting any big smileys in it. A couple scratches, but alright. We'll keep at her. Alright, there you have it, guys. It's definitely that guy right there. I'm pretty sure I'm going to drill out, overbucked. And that guy right there, pretty sure I overbucked. And all in all, that new set's doing a great job. Off to the other side. Now the other side I'm going to use my pneumatic squeezer for as many as I can get to. I'm probably still going to have to buck this lower row. Okay, my C-squeeze is all set up. Now, let's get some more rivets in here. And this should be the last one I can get with my C-squeezer. And then I'll manually buck the rest. Okay, toolbox handle. So I originally was going to use this set, but I read the plans again, and we're using 470 rivets, panhead rivets, which means I'm using my panhead set. So now, the only thing I'm kind of worried about is this is not clamped into place anywhere, but hopefully we don't mangle this thing while we're bucking. So, okay, well, what I just did there off camera is I got my missus to come over and hold this for me so I could actually buck this properly. And out of the 4, this guy, I was off center when I bucked, and that's why that rivet has a step in it, so we'll probably drill that out and redo it. But now there is another step, and that is once this hinge pin goes in, you basically line the hinge pin up, cut it just a little bit short, and then crimp the ends of the hinge. So I will do that. I'll mark this pin so we can do that. You see it poking out there, so we'll just pull it out just a wee bit. Put there. Get a little Sharpie mark on this guy, so we know to just cut right about there. And I'll come over here and finish off. Alright, so now that our hinge pin is cut to size, alright guys, well, there you have it. Toolbox is complete. I guess it's time for the best part, which is pulling this vinyl off and seeing what it really looks like. Look at that. One very good looking Vans practice piece toolbox. It looks like that one set, that one rivet set, is the only kind of scar I have on mine. Make sure you keep lots of pressure on those rivet heads. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video series. I will be finishing up the practice flap soon and then moving on to the empennage kit. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like and subscribe. Until next time.